Right now, someone with no audience, no following, and no experience is using Claude to generate real income online. Not because they're special, not because they have some secret, but because they know how to use it in ways that most people never even think about. Most people open Claude and ask it to write a caption or summarize an article. And that's fine, but that's like owning a money printing machine and only using it as a paperweight. I've spent months building real income streams using Claude across YouTube, digital publishing, and online products. And in this video, I'm breaking down exactly 12 ways Claude can make you money online. Most people only know 2. By the end of this video, you'll know all 12. My name is Chris, and I run a brand called Publish to Profit, where I teach regular people how to build passive income online through AI content, digital publishing, and faceless YouTube automation. I'm not a tech genius. I'm not a developer. I'm someone who figured out how to use tools like Claude to build real income systems without showing my face, without a huge audience, and without working 12-hour days. Everything I'm about to show you is stuff I actually use. Not theory, not stuff I read about. Real workflows that generate real results. And every single one of them is something you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. Now, before we get into the 12 methods, I want to quickly tell you why Claude specifically, because there are a dozen AI tools out there and most people are sleeping on this one. Claude is not just a chatbot, it is the closest thing to having a fully trained business partner available to you 24 hours a day, one that can write, research, plan, build, and execute across every part of an online income business. The difference between someone making money online and someone still stuck watching videos about making money online is usually not effort. It's not talent. It's systems. And Claude is the fastest way I've found to build those systems without a team, without a big budget, and without years of experience. That's why every method I'm about to show you isn't just a Claude trick. It's a direct path to income. Every single one. All right, let's get into it. 12 ways Claude can make you money online. I've organized these in a specific order, starting with the ones you can act on today with zero setup, and building up to the ones that create serious long-term passive income. So even if you're just getting started, the first few methods are going to feel very doable. And I'll say this now, stick with me through all 12, because the ones at the end are the ones most people never figure out. And honestly, they're the ones that changed everything for me. Let's go. Method 1. Use Claude to write and publish Kindle ebooks on Amazon KDP. This is the one most people know. But here's what most people get wrong. They use Claude to write a generic book on a generic topic and wonder why it doesn't sell. The move is to use Claude to find a micro niche with low competition first, then write directly into that gap. Claude can research the niche, outline the book, write every chapter, and format it for publishing, all in one session. One ebook can generate royalties every single month without you touching it again. That's passive income in the truest sense. Method 2. Use Claude to build a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. Not just writing scripts, the whole system. Claude can identify a profitable niche, generate a content calendar, write full video scripts, create SEO titles and descriptions, and even write your email list follow-up sequence. You pair that with an AI avatar, like HeyGen, and a voiceover tool like 11 Labs, and you have a fully automated content machine running without your face or your voice anywhere on it. This is exactly how I run my own channels. Method 3. Use Claude to create and sell digital products, ebooks, prompt packs, templates, guides, checklists. Claude can build all of it. But here's the angle most people miss. You don't need a big audience to sell digital products. You need the right product on the right platform. Claude helps you research what people are already buying, write the product, create the sales copy, and generate the product description. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and even Etsy do the selling for you. Set it up once, collect payments while you sleep. Method 4. Use Claude to write and publish audiobooks through ACX and Findaway Voices. Most people don't even know this income stream exists. You take the same ebook you published on KDP, or Claude writes you a brand new one, and you convert it into an audiobook. ACX connects you directly to Amazon's Audible platform. Findaway Voices distributes to Apple Books, Spotify, and dozens of other platforms. Claude writes the manuscript. AI voice tools like 11 Labs narrate it. You upload it once and collect royalties from multiple platforms simultaneously. One piece of content, multiple income streams. That's leverage. Method 5. use Claude to run a freelance content service without doing the work yourself. Here's one most people completely overlook. Businesses right now are desperate for content. Blog posts, email sequences, video scripts, social media copy. Claude can produce all of it in minutes. You position yourself as a content agency or freelance writer. You take the client brief, feed it into Claude with the right prompts, and deliver polished content back to the client. You are not the writer. You are the operator. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even cold outreach on LinkedIn can fill your client pipeline. Claude does the heavy lifting. You keep the margin. Method 6. Use Claude to build and monetize a niche blog with affiliate income. Blogging isn't dead. Bad blogging is dead. Claude can help you identify a profitable niche, generate a full content strategy, write SEO-optimized articles, and build internal linking structures that Google actually rewards. You monetize through affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, Impact, and Claude even writes your product reviews and comparison articles. The key is consistency and niche focus. Claude makes both of those easy because content creation stops being a bottleneck. One article can generate affiliate commissions for years. Okay, we're halfway through. 6 methods down, 6 more to go. And I want to pause here for a second because if you've been taking notes, good. If you haven't, start now. Because the next 6 methods are the ones most people never figure out. These are the income streams that take longer to set up but pay you the longest. Recurring income, scalable income, the kind that doesn't stop when you stop working. Before we get into them, if you want the exact Claude prompts I personally use for every single method in this video, I've put them all together in a free prompt pack. It's called the Publish to Profit Claude Prompt Pack, and it covers every workflow I'm showing you today. Here's how to get it. Join my free Telegram community called Publish to Profit Hub. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Once you're in, the prompt pack is waiting for you there, along with everything else I share with the community every week. It takes 30 seconds to join. Go do it now and come back. This is completely free, and it will save you hours of trial and error. All right, let's finish this. Method 7. Use Claude to build and sell online courses and info products. Here's the truth about the online education industry. It is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and it is still growing. People will always pay for organized, actionable knowledge. Claude can help you take everything you already know, even if you think you don't know enough, and turn it into a structured course outline, a full curriculum, lesson scripts, workbooks, and sales page copy. You host it on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even your own simple website. Claude builds the product. You set the price. The platform handles the transactions. Every sale is pure margin because the product costs you nothing to duplicate. Method 8. Use Claude to grow and monetize a newsletter. Newsletters are one of the most underrated passive income vehicles online right now. Your email list is the one asset no algorithm can take away from you. Claude can write every single edition of your newsletter, research the topic, write the content, format it for your platform, and even write the subject line that gets it opened. You monetize through sponsored placements, affiliate recommendations, or by selling your own products directly to your list. Platforms like Beehive and Substack make it free to start. Claude makes it free to produce. The income comes from the audience you build over time, and that audience compounds every single week. Method 9. Use Claude to flip and resell PLR content as premium products. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. It means content that's been legally licensed for you to edit, rebrand, and resell as your own. Most PLR content is low quality and generic. That's exactly why this opportunity exists. You take PLR ebooks, courses, or articles, feed them into Claude, and Claude rewrites them into something genuinely valuable. Better structure, better language, better positioning. You rebrand it under your own name and sell it at a premium price. The raw material costs a few dollars. Claude does the transformation. You keep the profit. This is one of the fastest ways to have a sellable product without creating anything from scratch. Method 10. Use Claude to build AI-powered tools and sell access to them. This one sounds technical. It is not. Claude can actually help you build simple AI-powered tools, calculators, generators, prompt libraries, niche research tools, without you writing a single line of code yourself. You describe what you want, Claude builds it, and you sell access to it as a digital product or a monthly subscription. Think about it. A niche keyword research tool for KDP publishers, a YouTube title generator for faceless creators, a prompt library for bloggers. These are tools your exact audience would pay for every single month. Claude builds the product. You own the asset, recurring revenue. That is the goal. Method 11. Use Claude to manage and scale a content agency. This is where things get serious. Instead of freelancing alone, one client, one project at a time, you build a system. Claude becomes your entire content production department. You take on multiple clients across different niches. Claude produces all the content, and you act purely as the account manager and quality checker. One person running what looks like a full agency. Your clients don't know how you produce so fast. They just know the work is good and it arrives on time. You charge agency rates. Claude handles agency volume. The margin between what you charge and what it costs you to produce is your profit, and it scales every time you add a client. Method 12. Use Claude to build a personal brand that sells on autopilot, and this is the big one. Everything we've talked about today, the ebooks, the YouTube channel, the digital products, the newsletter, the courses, none of it compounds the way a personal brand does. Claude can help you show up consistently across every platform. YouTube scripts, Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, email sequences, community content. All of it written, all of it on brand, all of it building trust with an audience that eventually buys everything you create. You don't need to be everywhere. You need to be consistent somewhere. And Claude makes consistency easy because content creation stops being the bottleneck. The bottleneck was never your talent, it was your time. Claude gives you that time back. That's method 12. And that's all 12. So there you have it. 12 ways Claude can make you money online. And I promise you, most people watching this still only know 2. But here's what I want you to understand before you close this video. Knowing all 12 means nothing if you don't pick one and start. That's the trap most people fall into. They consume, they learn, they feel motivated, and then they go watch another video. Don't be that person. Pick one method from this video. Just one. The one that felt most natural to you, the one that matched where you are right now, and go do something with it today. One action. That's all it takes to separate yourself from everyone who watched this and did nothing. Now, if you want the exact Claude prompts that power every single method I showed you today, they're all sitting inside my free Telegram community, Publish 2 Profit Hub. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Join us in there. I drop free tools, workflows, and income strategies every single week. It's completely free, and the people inside are already building. If you want to go even deeper, I've linked a video right here that shows you exactly how to set up your first Faceless YouTube channel using AI from scratch. Watch that next. It picks up exactly where this one left off. I'm Chris from Publish 2 Profit. I'll see you in the next one.